So, I'm actually a movie called Seven Sundays. Yes, and ang asawa ko lang naman dito ay si aking mula. So, yun, we just finished about last Sunday, pinapunta ako sa Hong Kong dahil magaling akong kumanta. Kaya tinatawag mga bastos kayo! Okay, fine. Hindi magaling ang boses ko, pero at least maganda ako, di ba? Ay, walang tumawa doon. Buti naman. Okay. So I want you to look at the person on your left and say, good afternoon! And then I want you to look at the person on the right and say, magandang tao po ako. Sabi mo, go! Kasi ako yung katabi mo, hindi babae, di ba? Pero tumatawa pa rin kayo, kaya inaasin ko yung katabi mo, hindi tao. Joke lang. Pinapatawa lang ko lang kayo kasi we're just so excited and nakita ko kanina na yung maraming tumaas ang kamay dahil first time yun, ha? So, I'm sure, like for those of you who are here for the first time, medyo maninibago kayo, no? Diba parang, bakit nandito kami sa church na to, diba? Parang, bakit may worship? Bakit, siguro, if you also go to a regular church service, you guys will be surprised at the kind of culture that they have there. Pero, I just want to explain to you that the God that I believe in and the God that I serve is alive and well. And He loves you so much. This life that we live, actually the reason why we're all here is because it's a love story. It's the ultimate love story that the price was paid by the shedding of His blood for us. And He loves you so much that He sent His only Son to die for us. So, ever since, mamaya I'll tell you my testimony in a little while, but we just want you to know that the person who invited you here today loves you. Hindi madaling mag-invite ng tao. Diba? Kasi once na-invite mo, i-label ka na. Mga kanino mga yan. Diba? Mga born again na yan, diba?